Deputy Governor of River State, Secretary to the State Government and Member.
And most importantly, to recognize you as the most impactful governor in the country. Your Excellency, congratulations, and I thank you. The last time I was here, I did not see a Port Harcourt that was more beautiful. It is a testament to the work that you are doing, but let me add that I am particularly delighted to meet you today, especially given the evolving, the growing, and the great stature of yours that is emerging in the country.
I'm happy today the Attorney General of the Federation has gone to Supreme Court to sue Rivers State government over VAT. Now that the Attorney General has gone to court, which we're happy, but nobody wants to talk about, oh, he wants to divide the country or whatever. It's only when Rivers State government goes to court, they say we want to divide the country. There's nothing wrong in interpreting the law. The judiciary has been given an assignment, and they took oath of office to interpret the law. If you don't go to court, how will we know what is the position of the law? How will democracy triumph? How would we know that really this country respects the rule of law? A fake autonomy, they are bandition to the judiciary, which is not true. If the judiciary has autonomy, go and check the status of the federal courts. Go and check. If judiciary has autonomy, would they have invited the House of the Justice of Supreme Court?
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.